Since 1994, Sonar has been scanning the planet for the most advanced music on Earth. Now, to celebrate its 25th anniversary, the festival turns its antennas upwards, sending music into space in an attempt to make first contact with an alien civilization. My name is Doug Vakoch. I'm the president of METI, an organization dedicated to messaging extraterrestrial intelligence. Thanks to Sonar, and for the first time in the history of humanity, 3 transmissions have been sent to a specific and potentially habitable exoplanet, CJ273b, circling a red dwarf called Luyten star, just 12.4 light years from Earth. Our first transmissions took place on October 2017 from the IceCat antenna in Tromsø, Norway. The messages included 18 pieces of music of 10 seconds each, created specially for the occasion by a selection of artists close to the festival. In April 2018, Sonar will send 15 more musical pieces from a selected group of artists. And this second set of transmissions will also be open to your participation, because it'll include 3 selected musical pieces created by our audience. There is no better way to celebrate 25 years of Sonar than sending music to extraterrestrials.